Hi, welcome to JH Softech and JH Synthetic. I'm Vikramaditya, and we all know what exactly is SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming Language. HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Tool. Now, what exactly is ABAP for HANA? ABAP for HANA refers to all developments which leverage the power of SAP HANA within ABAP based applications. So in this context, the SAP HANA platform is the primary database underlying the ABAP platform. And this is something which we can make use of from SAP ABAP version 7.4 onwards. And if you wish to know more about ABAP by 4 in HANA, you can click on the link in the description, and you can learn this for a great future. You're going to have a very good career with this.